Today I'm going to make some banana bread bars, and I'm going to need flour, sugar, sour cream. Let me tell you the amounts. You'll need 1.5 cups of sugar, a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of butter softened, that's a stick of butter softened, 2 eggs, 3 to 4 bananas. We had 3, so that's what we're going with. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a half a cup of walnuts, which is optional. But now I'm gonna get to prepping all my stuff, measuring and smashing and chopping and stuff. Okay, in the bowl I have the sugar, the sour cream, the softened butter, and the eggs, and I'm gonna cream these together. And I'll be back after that happens. Now I shall add the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, and beat that all together. Choo choo choo. And I'll be back. Once that gets blended, I'm going to add in my vanilla and my banana, and that comes out really nice. And mix it together just till it's incorporated. Oops, there's my note. Okay, just a note. I did that backwards. I should have put in my banana and vanilla before the flour stuff. But so swap that. Now I'm gonna beat this stuff up. Take my aggressions out. There it is. Now I'm gonna dump in my. Let's take out the bottom of my. This thing always falls in there. Boop. Now I'm going to mix this together with a spoon. Just fold in the nuts. You're supposed to put this in a jelly roll pan, but I don't have one, so this is going to be more like a banana bread cake, because I used it a cake pan. Now I put it in a greased cake pan, and I'm going to put it in the oven on 375 for about 20 or 25 minutes, maybe a little longer since it's a little thicker in this, so I'm just going to watch it. The topping is called a brown butter topping, and it has a half a cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar. I kind of slighted it just a little bit. I maybe left out a third or so a cup of sugar. Vanilla, how much vanilla? 1.5 teaspoons, and then 3 tablespoons of milk. But I'm not going to start this until that comes out of the oven. I got the butter on the stove, the half cup of butter that I'm going to simmer until it's like a golden brown, it says. So we're going to cook this, and then once it's done, I'll take it off the stove and put the other stuff in it. Now I have the butter here. It's gotten like a golden brown, and I'm going to add the sugar and the vanilla and the milk and whisk it together. I'm a little blurry, but that's what's going to happen. This is supposed to end up thicker than a glaze, but not as thick as a frosting. I have extra milk out here in case I got to thin it out. So I'm just whisking it together. I think I got it nice and velvety. So now I'm going to frost my cake while it's still a little warm. There's the cake all frosted. We will give it a try here in a little bit. I cut the cake. That's what it looks like cut. And I have pieces here for Dad and I to try to see how it tastes. That verdict will come very soon.
The bananas are in?
Yep, it's like a banana nut cake. How is it? Is it good? I haven't tried it yet. And it's homemade frosting.
Very good.
Okay.
Made frosting too?
Yeah, I made the frosting too.
You're just too talented.
Yeah, and away we go.